Hey guys, welcome back to the From RM YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day getting yourselves back into another technicals video here looking at the market and XRP, Bitcoin. So, what's going on? So, let's see what's going on here with gold, I guess. Just seeing gold come up here to 2,222 bucks earlier in the day around wow. I mean, that's just crazy. Just seeing what it has done and just baffling everybody seeing gold run right now, along with the crypto market having ran. Obviously, gold's still going here, but hitting the targets that we had thought. I mean, missing it by around what, 1/3%. I mean, that's not anything crazy. But seeing that same motion that we had expected come out of gold. But regardless, getting over here to XRP, seeing XRP just dominating for some reason today. And my lists over here, besides Solo, Solargenic, that's the only other coin I see up a lot. Just look at that, getting everything starting to curtail here in the 4 hour for XRP. You're getting that 20-day and the 50-day moving average, and even the 20-day coming through the 200-day. XRP is just showing a good sign of life coming through here. We were talking about when it was pushing up the other day, but keeping those the higher lows right here. We were talking about over here in February, and now here in later March. It's still keeping those higher lows, and that is a-okay. Still keeping us on track for our dollar target, $1.10 target here by the middle of April. Nothing's changed. We obviously have our first target here to 85, and then our second one to $1.10 sitting there. Came to the aforementioned 1618 right there, and just hitting that 73 cents. Obviously wicking briefly to 74.3. Nothing crazy, but isn't it wonderful to see that? But regardless, guys, seeing XRP kind of come back up here, I'm sure it could come back and retest and kind of neander a little bit sideways, but I'm okay with what it's doing right now. Absolutely wonderful. Decoupling itself just a little bit from BTC. Bitcoin throughout the day, it's down around 3.56% today. We're talking about possible retests of seeing what's happened with Bitcoin right now. Not seeing a crazy ton of buy volume coming in right now for Bitcoin. Just what looks like what may happen. We already got technically a double bottom. It could kind of come back up. I mean, it did miss it by around what, $150, $200. Could see it happen. The RSI kind of could show it. We came back down, hit the 30 twice here on the oversold. So it could possibly be rearing its head to be coming up here for a push back up for 69,000. But what I'm going to be looking for 69,000 is it holding here around that 65. And if it were, it looks like it would be making that sort of judgment move by tomorrow morning, 4 o'clock Eastern time, coming up here around that 65,890, just around there. But right now it's wedged beneath the 20-day, 100-day, and 50-day moving averages. You can see right here, you have I'm highlighting them right there for you. So nothing is really kind of set in stone or moving forward until it's able to really push through there, and we can see it get pushed to the upside, and start to adhere by this uptrend. But at the moment, I can't say which direction. At the moment, I guess you could say it's more so leaning towards more bearish, because that volume definitely is dwindling in that regard. But just my thought process, you're going to have to break through the ceiling here around 66,695. Obviously, if it gets to the apex, around 66,400. But just keeping your head on a swivel, see if you can break through it, get through that 1618. I think you're going to get up here to that 68 and then the 69 subsequently. Blech. Trying to speak some words. But at the moment, as long as it really stays above the 1, it's not too terrible. We already came back around the 236 and retested. Started at 0, flew to the 4236 just about, came back for support. But typically your correction out of this would be, you have your fly up, your rejection back down to support, your fly up, and then you're going to wind up kind of doing an ABC downwards, and I haven't really seen that yet. So A, B, C, and we haven't really seen an ABC come out of this. You see 1, 2, 3 downwards, back down here. And then from there, you'll either determine if you're going to wind up flying up or you're going to be flying out, which would make sense because, XRP and everything. Next month, a lot of altcoins and such look more primed to go than Bitcoin right now. So what's happening is you're seeing everything kind of circulate into other assets, especially like over here with gold. But that's just my thought process. That doesn't have to be right. I'm hoping maybe it's not right, and then we just wind up seeing Bitcoin to start tearing up again, into the weekend. But typically, weekends are more slow. We're going to wind up seeing our move tomorrow, say it goes up to 69,227 just about and then get rejected. And, the weekend's usually a little bit bearish into Monday. And then we see, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it rip as it did this week. But I hope you guys are having a good afternoon, morning, evening, wherever you are. What your thought process is. What are you expecting? But anyways, guys, I hope you guys are going to have a great one. And I'll see you guys on the next one.